Hello students, in the previous videos we have learned about advertisement writing. In that we have seen the definition of advertisement, types of advertisements, classified advertisements, and in classified advertisement we have learned how to write in case of situations vacant, situations wanted, to let, business proposals, sale and purchase. Today we shall be seeing how to write advertisement in case of missing persons or pets, travels and tours, and also matrimonials. Let us start with missing persons or pets. The important points which you should note in case of missing persons is it should always start with the heading missing. If you are not writing the heading missing, it should start with the word missing in capital letters. As it is about missing person or pet, you should be giving the brief physical description of the person or pet, like the name of the person, age, height, complexion, build, his health details, identification marks if any, the clothes which the missing person has worn at the time of missing, and also the time and place where the person was missing. You should also indicate if at all any reward is to be given, about the reward, and also the contact details. In case of pet, you should mention the name and breed, color of the skin, and any other identifying features of the pet. So you should mention these details at the time of writing advertisement in case of a missing person or pet. Let us see an example in order to understand it better. You had gone to the market that was very crowded, and your 5-year-old son got lost in the crowd. He has been missing since then. Write an advertisement for the newspaper. So this is about missing person. A 5-year-old child is missing, and it seems in the question they have asked that a 5-year-old son got lost in the crowd. So you should write accordingly. So you can write with the heading missing, or else you can write with the opening statement boy missing in capital letters. As we have seen, the description of name, age and physical details, along with the dress color and details of dress, and the time from when the person is missing, and the place. So these are the few important details which you should mention at the time of writing an advertisement of a missing person. So let us see. Boy missing. Devesh, 5 years, 3 feet 4 inches tall, fair, slim built, wearing black t-shirt and white shorts. So these are the details which we have given about the child. Since 4th August 2015 is given in this, so you can write 4th August 2020, from Mall Road Market, speaks Hindi and English. Informer will be suitably rewarded. Inform Mall Road Police Station, Mandi, and contact number. So in this you can see additional information of the languages which are spoken by the person is given, of the child is given, and also the reward will be given to the informer. Even that statement is also mentioned, along with the contact details and contact number. So these are the important points one should mention at the time of writing a classified advertisement in case of a missing person. Let us see now another topic, that is how to write an advertisement in case of travels and tours. The important points in this are, you should begin with the phrase package available, or you should write in capital letters the words package available. You should write the name of the travel agency which is offering this package, give details of the destination and duration. You should provide the details of the package like the boarding, lodging and sightseeing charges. And if at all any special discount is there, just mention even that, along with the contact details and the phone number. Let us see an example to understand it better. You are the proprietor of Raj Travels and have organized a 15-day tour of Europe for rupees 35,000, inclusive of 2 meals a day. Draft an advertisement for a national daily to draw people to it. So, Raj Travels is offering a 15-day tour to Europe for rupees 35,000, inclusive of 2 meals a day. So, this is the information given, and you have to draft an advertisement, a classified advertisement. So, let us see how to write that. See, the opening statement they have given is attractive package. As we have also seen, you can start with the heading package available. However, they have started with the opening statement attractive package. So, attractive package available for Euro trip of 15 days. So, the duration is also mentioned. Even the destination of the package is also mentioned. That is Europe. Breakfast and dinner, stay at 3-star hotel, inclusive of sightseeing. So, they have mentioned the additional details like breakfast and dinner is provided along with sightseeing, and the charges are 35,000 per person in a 3-star hotel stay. Special Diwali discount for bookings before 15th November. So probably they are giving at the time before Diwali vacation, and they have also mentioned special Diwali discount is also given if the bookings are there before 15th of November. And you should have mentioned the contact details. And what are they? Raj Travels, and they have also given the contact number. So this is how you should be writing an advertisement in case of tours and travels, if at all an ad is given by a traveling agency for some tour package. Let us see now another topic, matrimonials. So in case of writing an advertisement for matrimonials in a classified column of newspaper, what are the important details you should look at? So the important detail is you should begin with wanted. So wanted, whether bride or bridegroom, that should be mentioned, along with educational qualifications or professional qualifications, whether they are into service or profession and what is the income, along with age, height, complexion, build, and if at all required, caste and religion can also be mentioned. And what are the qualities sought in partner, even this detail should also be mentioned. If at all someone do not want to give their personal details or the contact details, they can just give the box number care of the newspaper. With this, only the newspaper publishers will know their address, and the person who is asking these details will not come to, and the person who is answering to these details will not be able to know their personal contact details. Let us see an example, you will understand it much better. You are looking for a suitable match for your sister. Write the particulars of girls and ask for the particulars of the prospective bridegroom. Your written account should be suitable for entry in the matrimonial columns of a newspaper. So this is, yes, this is for bridegroom. You are looking a suitable match for your sister, and you should be asking for the particulars of the prospective bridegroom. So how to write that? As we have seen, the heading should be there, Who is wanted over here? Groom is wanted. So, groom wanted. And how he should be, who he should be? Engineer, doctor or executive. Match from a decent family. So, they didn't mention the religion over here. So, match from a decent family for a beautiful, slim, charming and attractive featured girl belonging to Punjabi Malik and valued family. She is 23, 179 centimeters, working as a lecturer in Delhi University, drawing a salary of rupees 20,000. Father is in government service, drawing salary in 5 figures. Owns his own house in Kamla Nagar, Delhi. So these are the details given over here. If you observe, they did not mention their personal contact details. And what details did they give? Please contact post box number 5185, the Hindustan Times, New Delhi. So only the Hindustan Times newspaper publishers knows their personal details. So whenever anyone responds to this ad, they will come to know accordingly and they will intimate the person who has advertised. So this is how you should be writing a classified advertisement in case of, yes, matrimonials. So let us test your skills now. The first exercise homework is, your younger brother, an MBA from IIT Bangalore, is working as purchase officer in an MNC. He seeks an alliance with an exceptionally beautiful, educated and cultured girl. Write a suitable advertisement for him for publication in the Hindustan Times. So this is a matrimonial advertisement. What you have to write? For your younger brother. Let us see the next second homework question. Your younger brother, aged 5, has been missing for the last 3 days. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words for the missing person column of a local newspaper. Your Ram or Rama contact number is also given. So here the person who is writing the advertisement, his name is given along with contact number, and it should not be more than 50 words. And this is for missing person. So accordingly you should write this advertisement not exceeding 50 words with the given contact details and the given details.